Hello everyone. Hi.
Hey Facebook.
So I'm here with my friend Joy, and we're going to talk about something that I was talking about the other day on Facebook, and that is women and masturbation.
Yeah. Masturbation.
So, are there people there?
Not yet. Nobody's watching
We'll
yet.
show us.
You can invite people though. Do you have friends you want to invite?
I mean, they should be watching themselves. I mean, I don't want to send people messages asking them to join me.
We'll cancel it. There. Oh, now you have one viewer.
So,
Hello to our one viewer that we have so far.
so I wrote the other day on Facebook that, he left or she left.
They'll come back.
So we were talking about masturbation on Facebook the other day, and what I wrote about is that that in Pakistan, I mean, I don't know, probably it's true for everywhere, that women, they hide that they masturbate because it's considered a taboo. But all women masturbate. Don't you think all women masturbate?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Here it's not so much of a taboo. It's sort of a it's sort of something to
My
be
husband is
proud of
watching.
almost.
My husband is the only person watching.
Hey, not necessarily be proud
Oh,
of,
there are
but,
5 people.
but
Yeah.
women here in the States are really
No, why is it not something to be proud of,
It is, though.
Yeah, it shouldn't be anything to be ashamed of either,
No, it's not. It's a way
Your
of saying
sexuality-
it's a way of saying I can take care of myself.
Yes, absolutely. And the thing is, my point is that women lie so much, especially in my country, even if their husbands, they ask them if they masturbate or not, they're going to lie. They're going to say, no, I don't. I never did. But women do masturbate since childhood. Some start early, some start later,
True.
but all of them do. And the thing is, I think it's very insulting towards women to say that they don't. And when women say that they don't, they're actually insulting themselves.
True. Here, even there are some forms of masturbation that couples do together, so the woman can masturbate while he watches.
Yeah, my husband is commenting. Okay, so I was telling you that, so in America you even have sex toys and stuff like that.
Correct.
So, but my point is that, I mean, when I wrote an article about it, that how all women masturbate, and most guys were like, oh no, not all women, maybe some do. 70% Pakistani women don't masturbate. I mean, like, they look down on masturbation for women, and they write at the same time, oh, we masturbate. Of course all men masturbate, but women don't.
Right.
And my problem is that women, they agree with it. They lie. They're happy with this kind of lying because they have the desire to, look good, and they think it's immoral to masturbate. So they have the desire to look moral in their eyes, but not be honest, and not to. I think they don't know that it's actually empowering to, tell the truth.
It is.
And own your sexuality and not lie about it.
Well, in my personal opinion, knowing your body, knowing your female anatomy, knowing what turns you on or makes you satisfied is very important, even as you move forward into a relationship. It's good to know yourself.
Yeah. I think it's bad for Pakistani women in general to just lie about small things like that, because I cannot believe, and it's not that just it's my own thoughts. I actually have asked, I mean, I did the research to write my book, and I did ask a lot of women, and most of them actually first said, oh, no, I didn't masturbate before marriage, or I don't masturbate. But then eventually, after 2 months, 5 years, 6 years, the same women, they admitted that they were, masturbating all along.
Right.
So to me, it's something shameful that women don't. Not masturbation is not shameful, but to deny that you masturbate is shameful,
Sure.
and that's keeping women behind, if you ask me.
I totally agree.